SkyALERT weather with Chief Meteorologist Garry Frank.
Currents outside lie in the lower 90s outside. Pretty nice. 89 degrees in Imperial, and it's going to be continually comfortable. This is one of the best days as we see a lot of dry air. Now that system is ejecting itself to the east, you see how it's just really provided a vigorous amount of lift for some of the showers and thunderstorms, providing severe weather. But for us, we're tranquil because of this high pressure. It's settled right off the coast, and as we see where the direction of that usually turns, and that is clockwise, we'll see winds coming right down the Colorado River Valley, and that's why it's been pretty nice. Now, as this high starts to settle further inland, we'll see our Santa Ana winds really start to drive up. They've seen it over the last several days, 88, but that's nothing compared to the strength of this high as we roll throughout the rest of the week. As you see that rolling right offshore, that affects us because it dries us out. We don't see quite as much of an effect on our temperatures. We're already warm, 13-degree dew point, but the dry north winds is what's coming and driving us down. 10 to 15 mile-per-hour winds really throughout the map. That has gusted up to 30 at times. Right now, we're 24 at Blythe. It's just been breezy off and on. Check it out outside. This is what we've seen throughout the day. Just a nice breeze, and it's been pretty nice to spend some time in that Colorado River as it's more full, and you can go ahead and float down. Now, if you tried to do so this weekend, you didn't put any sunscreen on, probably didn't turn out well for you. You probably look like a lobster, and perhaps like Manila, what she's wearing right now, that red, that bright red. Make sure you do that, because as we move forward towards the weekend, we're going to have a problem with some of that heat. Now, for the rest of the evening, 87 in Yuma, 85 El Centro, north breeze 5 to 10 in Imperial Valley versus 10 to 15 throughout Yuma and Blythe. Now, as we roll throughout the rest of the evening into the overnight hours, we'll see 67 with a north breeze at 5 to 10. 63 is what we'll get down to in El Centro, and 64 in Blythe. Starting the day at north breeze at 10 to 15, and moving forward, we're going to see plenty of sunshine throughout tomorrow. 89 temperature-wise, not much of a change, and in fact, we'll see those breezes gust about 25. Not much of a change as well. I mean, temperature-wise, this is not really a day that we focus on, that we say this is what is going to show us what's going to happen the next several days. Now, as we move forward, that's where we're going to see it. Here, this system moves out of the way completely. Everything, moisture-wise, system-wise, right over the top of us into the Central Plains, as our jet stream is showing that. And in fact, look, it's 68 in Vancouver, 76 in Seattle. Expect these temps to really soar over the 90-degree range. Look at where this heat's going. Right now, we're seeing a little bit of it. That's keeping us in the 90s. We're right in the middle portion. But as we move forward, look at this heat really start to build. A nice tongue of heat by Thursday and Friday. Some of the warmest air Thursday, Friday, and then to Saturday, the strongest high pressure, and that's going to bring our temperatures way above normal for this time of the year. 94 and breezy tomorrow, Imperial Valley. We lose the breezes, gain a few degrees. That's our transitional day. Thursday, 103, and then 106, near record high, and then 107 degrees for Saturday. So I'm talking about going out and floating down. You are going to have to make sure you drink plenty of water for the events going on this weekend. In Yuma, we'll see 2 days of breeze. We'll lose that on Thursday, and then we really heat up by Friday and Saturday, and then drop down about 12 degrees from where we were at. Breezy conditions, but just a lot of heat on the way. Back to you.